Hi, this is Mark Schrader for Dugan Sound Design at ISE 2020. We have on display products to retrofit automatic microphone mixing for your existing consoles. We have multiple connection schemes like balanced analog audio and AES-3 digital audio connections, all to be able to retrofit automatic microphone mixing systems to your existing consoles. All models have unbalanced or balanced or Dante I/O, so we have multiple connection possibilities. And for instance, we have retrofit products with the MI16 cards for older Yamaha consoles. All mixing controllers can be controlled by IP, either by software, which is Java software, or they can be controlled by the Model K tactile control panel. You can reach us and have more information on all products on dandugan.com.